Measurements of land and what they mean in Uganda. Before you buy land, it is highly important to make sure that you understand the different measurements of land that are used in Uganda and what exactly they mean. This will save you from the confusion that you would get while talking about land matters. In this video, we have summarized the different terms that are used when carrying out land transactions. We have a hectare. This is the biggest measurement that is used when referring or describing the size of land. It is also the official measurement that is used in lands when processing land titles. A hectare is almost equivalent to 2 football pitches. Let's talk about an acre. An acre is also big, but not bigger than a hectare. If we try to bring it to real life, an acre is almost equivalent to a single football pitch. This simply means that a hectare is made up of 2 acres. How about decimals? A decimal is the smallest size any piece of land can be. Can you try to imagine a piece of land that can accommodate only 6 banana plants? That's the size of a decimal. This roughly means for you to have an acre, you need around 100 decimals. There is also this common term that is usually used by brokers. This is a plot. A plot is a piece of land that is equivalent to 50 by 100 feet. Let's compare a plot to a decimal. A plot is made up of around 11 decimals. It is good to remember when you're buying land that the smallest piece of land for which a land title can be processed is a plot. In brief, a hectare is made up of 2.5 acres. An acre is made up of 100 decimals or 8 plots, and a plot is made up of 11 decimals.